Today we'll talk about how can you create discounts on your Square app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your Square app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on discounts here. So when you just click here on discounts, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click here on this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on create a discount, click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here add your discount name, then discount type. So then here amount, if you want to here disable this or enable it, then you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.